Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don talk say hope dey for the girl child with wetin he see for the last Miss ITV beauty pageant. Oga Philip Shaibu yarn this one when he received organisers and the 10 finalists of the 2023 Miss ITV beauty pageant for Benin City. Comrade Shaibu talk say no be only beauty the finalists dem get, but dem get something upstairs, and say belle sweet am for wetin ITV dey do, and say he encourage the girls to be role models to others.
It shows that we have a future in the girl child as far as Nigeria is concerned. I was not just watching your steps, but I was more interested in the intellect aspect. And it was difficult to eliminate any of you when those questions were being asked. And we're waiting. Not just the beauty that you also have something upstairs, and that gives me joy. And to ITV, thank you. Through you to Chief Gabriel Sawaru Benedict for what ITV is doing, getting these young talents to discover themselves and be role models to other girl child. And it's something that we encourage others to emulate, so that we'll be gradually getting our young ones to not just be confident on themselves, but also be able to discover their talent and be role models and be builders of the society. And Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance.
Leader of the delegation, Sonny Duke Okosu, come throw a salute to Oga Shaibu and say belle sweet dem wey take attend the occasion, and say dem pray for am make Baba God grant am his heart desire.
You promised to attend, you promised to support, and you did attend and brought value, vibe, excitement and joy to all our contestants who participated in that event. And so today we're here to say thank you for being you, for being there, for always coming through for the entertainment industry in Ondo State. Because without government support, we can't really achieve so much as far as the entertainment industry is concerned. And you have consistently done that. And it's a testament of the fact that you truly believe that with the avalanche of youths that we have in Edo State, this is one sector we can channel all our energies to give the youths a pride of place. So we are very grateful to you, and it's our prayer that God grants your heart desires in your political aspirations and future endeavors.
Overall winner Stephanie Okunze, we talk on behalf of the 10 finalists, can talk say,
we really appreciate you for making out time for us. You are indeed a great man of integrity and a leader for excellence. And we pray that God will guide you and help you during this period of the election campaign. And we pray that he crowns your efforts with success, because this state needs a great man and you are fit in your best ability to fit that post. Thank you very much, sir. Any man can make a promise, but I believe a great man will fulfill his promise.
Making no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.